Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to review the iPhone 7 Plus and see how it has held up in the year 2021. We are also going to answer the question, if you have the iPhone 7 Plus, should you go ahead and upgrade it or hold on to it? The iPhone 7 Plus came in the year 2016, and in terms of software, it came with iOS 10 and is upgradable to iOS 14, the latest update. This phone came with 3GB of RAM. Fun fact, the iPhone X, which came in 2017, also has 3GB of RAM, and also the iPhone XR has 3GB of RAM. In terms of the battery side of things, the iPhone 7 Plus has 2900 mAh, which is not bad. The iOS software is well optimized not to drain your battery too much. That's the A10 Bionic chip, which is still a very fast processor. Talking about the storage options, we have the 32GB model, the 128 and the 256. The one I have with me right now is the 128GB, which is a lot of space for pictures for the girls and then games for the. About the cameras, it has two cameras at the back, 12 megapixels wide and then 12 megapixels telephoto. It can take portrait shots. It can also take 4K at 30 frames per second video, which is a great video quality. The selfie camera has 7 megapixels, which can record 1080p at 30 frames. The screen size of this phone is 5.5 inches with 1080 by 1920 pixels, which is an LCD screen with 3D touch. The 3D touch simply means long press and then options will come for shortcuts. Speakers has stereo sound with no headphone jack. Of course, this was the first phone Apple got rid of the headphone jack. It has the home button with fingerprint scanner, which some people think is outdated, but I bet you it's not, because the iPhone SE, which came last year, also has the same home button. Okay, let's talk about the body. When it comes to the body of this phone has a metal back, which is durable, and in case you mistakenly drop it, it's not going to break like the phones with the glass backs. That is from iPhone 8 upwards. In terms of the charging port, it came with the lightning cable, which is still currently being used for charging, and you can also plug your headphones in it. The iPhone 7 Plus doesn't have wireless charging. Wireless charging started with the iPhone 8. When we come to water resistance, it has IP67 dust and water resistance up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. But Apple's warranty doesn't cover water resistance. So please, don't drop your iPhone 7 Plus in water. If you do it and it doesn't survive, it's a warrant. It has a new switch for silence, which I think every phone should have. So that's all for the iPhone 7 Plus. To those who have the iPhone 7 Plus, this phone is not a bad phone at all. You can still keep it for a while. After all, Charlie, the truth is, all we do with it is WhatsApp and then Twitter. We don't do much with it, so you can keep it for a while. As long as it's not giving you any problems, you can keep it for a little while before you upgrade. And to those who want to go out and get this phone, the iPhone 7 Plus is still a great phone. You can do a lot with it. It's not a bad phone at all. If that's the money you have, you can go ahead and then get this phone. It's not bad. But if you have extra money, I advise you to go for the iPhone XR or the iPhone X. You can also go for the iPhone SE, which you are going to be supported with software for a very long time. Thanks for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.